Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay. So in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about different types of metrics in our Google Ads like click, CPC, impression, CTR, quality score, and conversion. Okay. So without further ado, let's get started. So we can see there are a bunch of metrics available here in our Google Ads dashboard. So let's get to know one by one. So first option here we can see is clicks. So if I hover over it, then I can see when someone clicks your ad, it's counted here. So if you want to learn more about clicks, you can click this link. So click definition. When someone clicks your ad, like on the blue headline or phone number of a text ad, Google Ads count that as a click. A click is counted even if the person doesn't reach your website, maybe because it's temporarily unavailable. As a result, you might see a difference between the number of clicks on your ad and the number of visits to your website. For YouTube on TV screens, clicks reported are for actions taken on the TV call to action button, not for action taken on the follow-up notification. Clicks can help you understand how well your ad is appealing to people who see it. Relevant, highly targeted ads are more likely to receive clicks. In your account statistics, you will find the click-through rate, which lets you know how many people who have seen your ad end up clicking on it. This metric can help you gauge how enticing your ad is and how closely it matches your keywords and other targeting settings. Note that a good CTR is relative to what you are advertising and on which networks. To help increase your clicks and CTR, start by creating great ad text and strong keywords to make ads that are highly relevant and very compelling to your customers. Okay. So the next metrics we'll be talking about is impression. So an impression is counted each time your ad is served on Google's ad network, such as on google.com, YouTube, or other publisher website and apps. Impressions help you understand how often your ad is being seen. So if you want to learn more about impression, then you can click this link called Learn More. Okay. And the next metrics we'll be talking about is CTR. Click-through rate measures how often people click your ad after it's shown to them, which can help you understand the effectiveness of your ad. CTR is calculated by dividing the number of clicks your ad receives by the number of times your ad is shown. If you have 5 clicks and 1,000 impressions, then your CTR is 0.5%. So you can find out more about CTR by clicking this link. Okay. And the next one is average CPC. Average cost per click is the amount that you have paid for your ad divided by its total clicks. If your ad received 2 clicks, one costing 0.20 pound and one costing 0.40 pound, your average CPC for the click is 0.30 pound. Note that average CPC may at times be higher than the maximum CPC. Okay, for hotel ads, this is typically because the maximum CPC is multiplied by the number of nights in the itinerary. For example, if max CPC is set at £2, then the most that a click will cost for a one-night stay is £2. For a 3-night stay, the most that a click will cost is £6. The average CPC will reflect the full price that you pay for each click. So you can learn more about average CPC by clicking this link. Okay. The next one is cost. Okay. Cost is the total of your spend during this period. And the next metrics we'll be talking about is quality score. So I have a detailed video on quality score, uh, and I have shown some tips and tricks that how you can improve your quality score. If you haven't watched the video, you can watch it first and then come to this video. Okay. Quality score is an estimate of how relevant your ads, keywords, and landing pages are to a person who sees your ad. Higher quality score typically lead to lower cost and better ad position. So you can learn more by clicking on this link about quality score. And the last metrics we'll be talking about here is conversion. So conversion shows the number of conversion you received after ad interactions, such as text ad clicks or video ad views. The conversion setting include in conversion and count affect the number you see here. So you can learn more about conversion by clicking on this learn more button, okay, or link. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding on different type of metrics or KPIs in our Google Ads. Yeah. So you have a good day. Bye bye.